how are you? Welcome to my channel somycrafty. I'm here with a new tutorial of crystal beaded bracelet. Very elegant bracelet. I hope you would like it. We are starting with these golden seed bead 8. We have picked one crystal bead 10 mm. This crystal bead will be used as clasp of our bracelet. We have picked 7 golden seed beads 8 with this bead, and now after tying knot, double knot, we are adding here 3 beads, 2 bicones 3 mm with 1 seed bead 8. After passing seed bead 8, we are adding again here 2 bicones with 1 seed bead 8. This is right angle weave stitch in which we are working. Again 3 beads, 1 seed bead and 2 bicones. We are using in this project different colors. I think 6 colors, 6 different colors. Randomly we will add these beads randomly, no specific color. Different colors of bicones will be used in this project. This will make our bracelet very beautiful, because we are using white, clear white crystal beads in this bracelets making. So this colorful bicones will be very looking very beautiful in this bracelet. So we are adding these in the beginning of our bracelet. After adding these beads, we are now adding one teardrop bead, crystal teardrop bead, which is clear white color bead, crystal white color teardrop bead. We have added it with 2 seed bead 8, and after adding 1 bicone, we again came back to the lower part and we added 2 more seed beads 8, and now we are here passing through one crystal, one seed bead. Now this is the next step. We are starting here with 4 crystal beads, 4 crystal beads. These are 8 mm crystal beads, and we have to add 4 crystal beads together. We are passing through these beads. We will make boxes of these color, these crystal beads, passing through one bicone. We are passing through 1 crystal bead 8 mm. Now here between 2 crystal beads we will add 1 bicone. After passing 1 crystal bead, we are adding again between 2 crystal beads 1 more bicone, and after passing here, we are from crystal bead we are adding again 1 bicone. In this way we have completed our 1 box of clear white crystal beads. We have completed 1 box, and we have to make 4 more boxes like this box, crystal beaded boxes. So the same process will be done with the other crystal beads. In the same way we will add crystal beads. Now again we are taking 4 crystal beads 8 mm, passing through one bicone. We have added these beads. Now we have to add colorful different color bicones, 3 mm. We have to add one by one different bicone beads. So we have to add here between crystal beads, and now we are passing a needle through bicone bead. So we have completed 2 boxes of crystal beads, 8 mm with bicone, colorful bicones, and we are using different color bicones: purple, pink, yellow, green, blue, aqua blue, different colors. And because the basic bead crystal beads are white, crystal clear white, and to enhance its beauty, we have added colorful bicones. So this combination is unique, and I hope you would like it. Different colors bicones with clear white crystal beads. As we are looking on our screens, that this combination is very cute and a very easy project. As usual, I have selected for my viewers. This is very easy to make, and there is no difficulty. You have to arrange beads, needle, thread, and in a short time you will make your own bracelet. I have used 2 teardrop beads, one in beginning and one in the end, and these clear white crystal beads, teardrop beads, are looking very unique in this project, in this bracelet. We are going to end off our bracelet. We have completed beaded crystal beads boxes, and now we are repeating the same process which we did in the beginning of this bracelet, and on its end we added beads in the same way, and now we are completing its last steps. We are adding bicones, colorful bicones, different colors: blue, yellow, green, pink, with golden seed bead etto. We are adding in right angle weave these beads. Very easy right angle weave, but it's looking gorgeous. Now it's almost complete, and we are adding at the end, we are adding 15 golden seed bead etto for our clasp bead. This is the beaded ring we have made with 15 seed beads etto for clasp. We have to pass 2 times double. We will pass double thread to make it secure. Now we are passing through different beads randomly. Here we will make some finishing knots, and after making finishing knots we will trim the extra thread, and then it will be ready. So we have to make some finishing knots. Try to make 2 or 3 or 4 times knots on different points. to make it secure. In this way, we are making finishing knots. Kindly subscribe, like, share my videos. It's your own channel, somycrafty, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share, don't forget to like. I need your subscriptions, I need your likes, so please, it's your own channel, subscribe it. It's ready now. Sparkling look, crystal beaded bracelet is ready. You can see it's sparkling crystals look with bicones, colorful, different colors bicones. I hope you would like it and make for yourself your own bracelet. It's very easy, it's very cute. So remember somycrafty, remember my channel. Like it, subscribe it, and I will say bye now. Here is the final look of my today's project, my elegant crystal beaded bracelet with colorful bicones. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.